The fact is that most enterprises will wind up with a variety of AI products, um, capabilities, and there'll be a lot of difficulties for the IT crew or their MSP to manage all these different products, vendors, um, and different use cases. And I think that's a reality, right? That no one starts with a green field, and no one can do a forklift upgrade of all their systems. Um, and I think that when you look at the solution we've tried to address and build for, it absolutely takes into consideration the fact that we are going to live in a vendor agnostic world. There'll be different solutions from different vendors, both big and small. And so the
Mhm.
trick is, how do you provide a framework for governance, and security guardrails around all these agentic forms,